Guys, I'm making spicy barbecue jerk chicken. I think I've done this before, so stay tuned.
Girl, you better can't cook. Think you that you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book.
Hi guys, welcome back.
So guys, right here I have my chicken already clean, washed with vinegar and lemon. So I'm gonna put some few holes in the chicken. I'm just gonna cut it like this so that the seasoning can penetrate, you know. Just gonna put a few slices into it. Okay, no, lots of people not like cook chicken, and like chicken is a whole process of cleaning it, get out all of the fat and the slime, and washing it and all the works. A lot of people don't like doing that, but for me it's good. I'm gonna put my seasoning. I'm gonna put some chopped garlic, some ginger, minced ginger. I'm gonna put some powdered ginger, some ground pimento, some powdered jerk season. I love this jerk season, guys. It give the chicken, give your meat a buzz. Even if you're not doing jerk, you put it, you just give it a buzz. I just love it. It's cool runnings. So I'm gonna put some roasted Caribbean spice and roast garlic, some all-purpose season, some meat seasoning, I'm gonna put some of this jerk marinade sauce. Too much. I'm gonna put some of this jerk seasoning. I can't believe this finished, and I could think I have a old new bottle. I think I have a new bottle. So I'm putting some barbecue sauce, because as you know, I'm making spicy barbecue jerk chicken. I'm putting some soy sauce, just a little. Guys, I'm gonna use my hand and I'm gonna rub in the seasoning. So guys, I'm adding some pimento seed in it also. So I'm rubbing in the seasoning. Guys, it smells so good. And you know, start cook it. My God, imagine when you start cook. So this is for Sunday, guys, and today is Thursday, so you know it's gonna marinate for a bit before I cook it. It smells so good. So guys, my chicken finished seasoning, so I'm gonna leave it to marinate for a bit. Not for a bit, until Sunday, because today is Thursday, November 11th. Yes. So when we're ready to cook this now, it's supposed to well marinate well. Smell good. Welcome guys, I already show you how I season my spicy barbecue jerk chicken. So right now I'm about to put it in the oven, so bear with me. As you can see, my tray is right there, so I'm gonna place my chicken on the rack. So I'm gonna put it in the oven. The excess juice that I have, I'm gonna just pour it over it. Then I'm gonna place it in the oven right now for about 30 minutes before I flip it on the other side. Right here guys, I'm gonna make some dry gungo peas, rice and peas. I'm gonna put some coconut milk. Now I'm gonna drop a scotch bonnet pepper and some thyme and scallion. So now guys, I'm gonna put some butter. Make it simmer down for a bit before I put my rice in. I'm gonna flip it. It's 30 minutes. I'm gonna flip it on this side, and then I'm gonna put it on this side for 30 more minutes. Then I'm gonna add my sauce. So I'm gonna turn my rice and peas, my gungo rice and peas, dry gungo rice and peas. Rice chili, nice. So now guys, I'm gonna make my sauce for my chicken. So I'm gonna put some ketchup in my saucepan right here. I'm gonna add like 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I'm gonna add some honey. I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce. I'm gonna put some chili sauce. And then I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of water. I had a little tip of wine inside. And I'm gonna stir it. So I'm going to leave it to boil on the fire for like 5 minutes, and then I'm going to turn off the stove, and then I'm going to add it to my chicken. So you're going to keep on stirring because you don't want it to stick in the pot, in the bottom of the pot. So you have to keep on stirring it. Tastes so good guys. Now I'm gonna put some all-purpose seasoning. You can put it, but you don't have to. It's optional. I put my sauce on, so I'm gonna put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes, and I'm gonna flip it again and put the sauce on the next side. Guys, this is my gungo peas and rice. Look at that. And over here, this is my spicy barbecue jerk chicken. Look at that. Oh my god, it is so juicy and nice. Oh my god, I cut right through the bone. Look at that. Oh my god. Enough of me now right now. So guys, you know what time is it? Time to like up this video, share this video out with your friends and your family, and don't forget to hit that post notification so you know each time a girl upload a video. And I hope you all enjoy this video. Also, I want you guys to go over on my channel and watch some videos and give a girl a thumbs up, give a girl a comment. Anyways, thank you all again for watching this video. Until next time, your girl is out.